Hello, it's the People Mentor. So I'm popping in today because I wanted to share a little bit more about my difficult conversations journal. Here it is. And it's much more than a journal. It's for managers and leaders who are struggling with knowing where to begin with difficult conversations. And they really want to have successful conversations and feel very confident and in control with them. So this takes you on a journey where you start to understand more about yourself, more about your team members, and then how you plan that difficult conversation. There's lots of information in there. There's an absolute wealth of information in there, but it will get you thinking. And by the time you finish this journal, you will really understand yourself a lot more. Hop along to Amazon and get your copy. Thank you.